go shopping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for
Shopping. My lipstick is like all smudged from like wearing the mask. It's so weird, but there was like literally not many people in the mall, and they are taking like lots of precautions. So every time like you go in the store, they like sanitize your hands, and they also only let like limited amount of people. So that made me feel like a little bit more safer, and I was just so excited to like be able to shop again. So I ended up going to Sephora, Express, of course. Oh my gosh, there's like so many sales in Express right now. I also went to Bath and Body Works, and of course Victoria's Secret. So I'm back from doing some shopping, and I literally got back just in time because it started downpouring and thundering, and I get so much anxiety when I drive in the rain and there's thunder. It's like I can't even like breathe. So I'm gonna start off first with Bath and Body Works, my favorite store. So I picked up this candle, and I love their candles. They last so long and they smell amazing. This one here is called the Vanilla Chai Latte. Oh, it smells exactly like chai latte. I also got this one here, and this one here smells incredible. This one here is called the Peach Bellini. Oh, it's such a fresh scent. It's very fresh and fruity. It smells just like peaches. If you love like fruity scents, try this out. It's like so good. So I got those two, and I also got a room spray. I am like obsessed right now with the champagne toast candle. So I saw that they had a room spray also in champagne toast, so I picked it up. Oh, it smells so good. My room is gonna smell like champagne toast all over. But those are the three things that I got from Bath and Body Works. So I also went into Sephora. So a few weeks ago, I got this like complimentary sample when I ordered something off their site. And they sent me this like tiny little thing of, what is it called? Tatcha cream, the water cream. I like adore that cream, but it ran out because it was like a tiny little sample. I was like devastated. I'm like, I need to get this. So I went into Sephora and I got the actual size, and this was like pretty expensive. Like I don't think I've ever spent so much money on a cream, but for me to spend like all that money on a cream is because I really love it. So highly recommend this. So my skin is like very dry, but it's also oily around the T-zone, so it's kind of like in between, and I do have like very large pores. This here helps with the pores, so it kind of like diminishes them, and it gives it this smooth, radiant look. It's called the Water Cream Refreshing and Anti-Aging Pore Perfecting Japanese Wild Rose. That was a long name. Ooh, this is so luxurious. Okay, I guess it was definitely worth the money. This is so cute. It actually has like a little spatula here. I thought it was just like a design, but no, it's actually like a little spatula. How cute. Also from Sephora, I picked up this. I actually saw this in Tanya's channel. I saw that she had gotten one a few months ago, and I've always wanted to try it, so I gave in and I got this. It's the Sephora Rose Quartz Facial Roller, And I guess this is supposed to be for like applying your serums, massaging your face. And the girl at the Sephora store said that the smaller part can be used for your under eyes to help with like puffiness, like help depuff your skin. So I guess it's like really good. I've heard like a lot of good things about these. Now you can definitely get these way cheaper, probably at like Marshall's or like Amazon, but I didn't want to wait and I just wanted to get it. Plus it's so pretty, it's pink, and it came with this like little pouch inside to store it. They did say to leave it in the fridge so that it cools off, so I actually ended up ordering one of those like beauty skincare fridges, which should be coming any minute, and it's pink, so I am just so excited. I'll have like all my skincare items in there and then my roller. But this is actually, it's actually quite nice, so it's definitely worth it. Oh, I feel so good. It's like so refreshing. I can't wait, and it's gonna be even better when I put it inside the fridge. So it comes like that. It's so beautiful. So from Victoria's Secret, my favorite store, it's finally open. I know somebody said that they were closed, and I think they just reopened maybe about a week ago, and I was just like super excited. All of their stuff was like on sale. So I went in and I got a bunch of panties, and I also got this gorgeous bralette in this like lace blush pink. This is so pretty. Like I can't wait to wear this. I'm so excited. It's just super cute. This is going to look like amazing with like a tank top. So I also picked up some panties, and these were actually on sale. Like most of their panties were like $5, and I saw these and I fell in love with them. They're like super high-waisted. These are more like lingerie, but I thought they were like so beautiful, and they're like made of this like lace material. They're thong in the back, so I got this like beige one. I also got this really cute like little polka dot one. I got a black one, and I got another high-waisted one in black. But these are gonna look like incredible with like a bra or something, so I am very excited with those. And I also got like 2 of the $20 rewards cards. I also picked up, as I was going and like leaving the store, I saw that they had face masks, so I was like, oh my goodness, I need to get one. It's pink. Like I don't have any pink face mask. I have a black one, but it just kind of covers my whole entire face. So I picked up this one. Oh, it's actually quite nice. It looks like this. It's pink and it says love, and it does have this like wire here to keep it in place, which I am very excited for. This is actually quite nice. I'm very impressed. And it also has these little like adjustable straps in the back to adjust it to your ears. And the last place I stopped in was my favorite store. I went to Express. So the first thing I got are these gorgeous pair of earrings, and the moment I saw them I fell in love with them. They are in this like peach, kind of like a peach pink color, and they have like a little rhinestone in there. I also got this gorgeous top. This one here, it's not white, it's more like a beige color, but it has like a little bit of like gold detail on it. It's like very light. It also ties here on the front, and I just love the sleeves. The sleeves are like the best part. So I also got this adorable romper, and I'm just like so in love with this color. It's a romper, but they're not all the way down, so it's almost like cropped. They are wide on the bottom. They have this like gold kind of shimmer detail on them, and it's like a tube top. Also the material is like pretty nice. So those were all the things that I got today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have been out shopping and if you found any good deals. I hope to see you all next time. Bye.
I've been waiting all my life for some